Assalamualaikum and a very good day everyone. Today we are going to present company project entitled Cheerful Adventure Tours Neighborhood. Allow me to introduce our team member. I am Nurhamiza binti Ramsa and with me are Imelda binti Uji, Ivana Juan Daimil and Nurul Shakira binti Johari. Now I am going to share business background of this company. Cheerful Adventure Tours Neighborhood was officially incorporated on 5th July 2017. The company registered office is located at the Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry in Kinabalu, Sabah. It is registered as a private limited company under the Company Act 2016. The company is managed by a team of 5 directors, which is namely by Mr. Lu Taoxin, Mr. Leisha Hao Jingwei, Mr. Feng Po, Mr. Vincent Ma Wei Xin, and Madam Kok Kyun Yin, also known as Lok Kyun Yin. They also have one participant shareholder, was namely Mr. Chok Win Chuen. The company vision is to become a leading travel agency in Malaysia, known for outstanding customer service, competitive pricing, and a unique travel experience. Its mainly objective is to deliver high-value travel package, promote Malaysia destination globally, and support sustainable development of the local tourist industry. Cheerful Adventure Tour offer travel service to both domestic and international tourists. The company mainly focus on travel package within Malaysia, especially in the state of Sabah. In additional service including hotel booking, transportation arrangement, and a detailed travel process. All tours are designed to be enjoyable, safe, and affordable. At the beginning for this business, they have a 2% that contribute shareholder, namely Mr. Lu Taoxin, that invested 100 to 1 ringgit Malaysia, while Miss Chok Mi Chun contribute at 98,001 ringgit. It making a total of contribute is 202 ringgit in initial capital. This investment provides a strong financial base for the company to operate in the competitive tourist sector. Following the COVID-19 pandemic, Ms. Chok Mei Chun and Mr. Lu Taoxin stepped down as a shareholder. Their share were fully transferred to new shareholder, which is to Mr. Vincent Ma Wei Xin and Madam Kok Kyun Yin. They brought all capital from previous shareholder. As we know, the new shareholder also director for this company are mother and son. After that, they are together took the initiative to revive and continue managing this company until today. In summary, Cheerful Adventure Tours Neighborhood is a dynamic and resilient company. Since its founding in 2019, it has remained committed to promoting tourism in Malaysia, especially in Sabah. Despite challenges such as a COVID-19 pandemic, the company continued to grow and serve travel with excellence.
Hello, I'm Ivana. My part is about characteristic. Okay, I will share about the characteristic on Cheerful Adventure Tours. Number 1 is about registration. This company, Cheerful Adventure Tours, is a partnership business, registers with Suruhanjaya Malaysia (SSM) under the Companies Act 2016. For our information, this company is establishment on 5 July 2017, and this is a company limited shares and is a private company. Business carried by Cheerful Adventure Tours is a travel agent which is involved of inbound and outbound and vehicle rental with a driver. Number 2 of characteristic is ownership. Cheerful Adventure Tours is owned by shareholders or director managed. For an example, Mr. Vincent Maybushins hold 90% of share and Mr. Kok Kyunin hold 1% share, and we can see its mean ownership is determined by the number of share they hold. Okay, about the decision like profit distributions or major change like selling business is made based on shareholdings and direct authority. Number 3 characteristic that Cheerful Adventure have is management and control. This company is managed by Mr. Vincent Maybushins and Kok Kyunin, and they are responsible for decision making, daily operations, strategic directions, staff and compliance. Number 4 of characteristic that Cheerful Adventure have is liability. This company liability is limited. The director or shareholders are not personally beyond the capital investment. Okay, number 5 is profit and loss. This company, Cheerful Adventure Tours, profit and loss in limited company such as like this company, the profit will be paid to shareholder in the form of dividend. For an example, Mr. Lu Taoxin and Chok Mejun transfer of Fed share 2,002 ringgit to the company. So we can see the profit and loss here. Okay, last one is books and account. Okay, this company for this business is more proper books of account and must keep an annual account must be sent to Suruhanjaya, Malaysia. For an example is audit, tax submissions, and annual return. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nurul Shakira, and in this section I'll be explaining the classification of business items, which includes assets, liabilities, capital or owner's equity, revenues, and expenses. Let's begin with assets. These are resources the business owns or controls that provide future value. In this case, assets include office equipment worth Rm 6,580 ringgit, a bank balance of 11,650 ringgit and 28 cent, 254 ringgit in cash, as well as 21,000 in deposits and prepayments, and lastly 1,211 ringgit and 30 cent deposit payment to suppliers. These assets support the company's daily operations and service delivery. Next, we have liabilities, which are obligations that need to be settled. The company recorded 12,104 ringgit 15 cent in trade creditors, which means there are outstanding amounts owed to suppliers such as hotels or transport providers. This is considered a current liability. Capital capital represents the owner's investment and retained profits. The company had 18,192 ringgit in retained earnings and earned a net profit of 7,596 and 95 cents in 2023, both of which are part of owner's equity. For revenue, the business earned 218,740 ringgit from tour package sales, which is from their main income source. And lastly, expenses include tour cost sales and salaries, office rental, transport, and smaller admin fees. The largest expense was tour-related, at over 111,000 ringgit. In conclusions, classifying business items help ensure accurate reporting and gives a clear view of financial performance. Thank you.
Now, we are talking about a recording process for Cheerful Adventure Tours Berhad. Cheerful Adventure Tours Berhad uses UBS accounting software as its primary system for recording all financial transactions. This software allows the company to manage its account efficiently and accurate by capturing and storing each transaction in a structured and organized manner. The recording process begins when a business transaction takes place. For example, when a customer purchases a tour package, the company generates an invoice through the UBS system. This invoice not only serves as a proof of the transaction for the customer, but also as an official document for company internal record and auditing purpose. The transaction amount is recorded as a revenue in the ledger account within the system. Apart from revenue, the company also records all related expenses using UBS. These expenses include accommodation, transportation, tour guide service, and office rental. Every expense is properly categorized in the accounting system to ensure accurate financial reporting at the end of financial year. At the end of each accounting period, UBS generates essential reports such as a trial balance, profit and loss statement, and a financial account report. These reports are important for managers to evaluate the financial performance of the company, and they are also submitted to relevant authorities such as the Company Commission, SSM, Commission Suruhanjaya, Syarikat Malaysia, SSM, and the Inland Revenue LHDN. By using UBS software, Cheerful Adventure Tour ensure that all financial data is recorded systematically. This supports better flow monitoring, income and expenses tracking, and the preparation of accurate financial statements.
Hello, my name is Imelda Piti Ujin. Now I will explain to you the strengths and weaknesses recording process for Cheerful Adventure Tours Sendirian Berhad. First of all, we will take a look for the strength of recording process for this company. First, it is legal and regulatory compliance. The accounting recording process is important for this company because it ensures all the financial transactions are documented in accordance with relevant laws, tax regulation, and accounting standard. By maintaining accurate and complete records, this company can comply with tax reporting obligations, corporate laws, and audit requirements, and also the industry-specific financial regulations. By doing this, it can help the company to avoid from penalties, legal disputes, or audits due to non-compliance. Secondly, accurate financial reporting. By doing this recording, transaction systematically. It allows this company to generate all the reliable financial statements such as balance sheet, income statements, and cash flow statement. Accurate recording will ensure that financial reports are truly reflects the company financial position. Besides that, it also can give right information for the stakeholders, especially the owner of this company. It is essential for performance tracking and external reporting. Thirdly, supporting decision making. Timely and well-organized financial data helps the managers or the owner of this company to make informed decisions. For example, tracking income and expenses can lead to control the costs incurred in the future. Sales data can help to forecast the demand. Financial trends help assess the profitability and growth, while the good records enable the strategic planning and operational efficiency in the future. The fourth one protects the limited liability status. In partnership, this company is legal separate from its owner. In order to maintain this separation, proper financial records must be kept. If business and personal finance are mixed or records are inadequate, owners may become personally liable for business debts. That is the reason why accurate accounting is needed, because it preserves legal protection for owners in the future. The fifth one, it improves access to financing. Usually, banks, investors, and lenders require detailed financial records before providing funding. They will look at profitability, cash flow, debt levels, and asset value of this company. The strong accounting records of this company will build trust and credibility. It can increase the chances of securing loans, attracting investors, or obtaining better credit terms. However, as I mentioned before, there are also some weaknesses of recording process for this company. The first one is it costly to maintain. In order to maintain an accurate accounting system, it will involve expenses such as hiring qualified accountants or bookkeepers, purchasing or subscribing to accounting software, or ongoing training and system upgrades. This company also have to send their records regularly to audit for compliance review. This cost can be significant, especially for small business, and may reduce overall profitability if not well managed. Secondly, manual process and human error. Manual accounting involves entering data by hand into ledger, spreadsheet, or basic accounting software. This increases the risk of transposition errors. For example, entering 456 instead of 465. It also can lead to incorrect account coding. For example, posting an expenses under assets, and omissions, which can happen when the staff forget to record a transaction entirely. Even a small mistake can cascade into ledger reporting inaccuracies, leading to incorrect financial statement, tax filings, or budget forecasts. Thirdly, time consuming. The process of recording, reconciling, and verifying financial transactions, especially in high volume business, will take a lot of time. Tasks such as recording daily sales, purchase, and expenses, reconciling bank statements, and preparing monthly reports can divert resources from core business activities, which can lead to slow down operation and making decisions. The fourth one, require skilled personnel. Accurate accounting require knowledge of financial principle and standard, tax laws, and reporting requirements. use of accounting software. Hiring and retaining such skilled professional can be challenging and expensive, particularly for startups or small enterprise. Last, the risk of fraud if controls are weak. If proper internal controls like approval process, access restrictions or regular audits are not in place, the accounting system can be exploited for fraud such as falsifying invoices, embezzling funds, manipulate records in order to hide losses. Weak controls can lead to financial loss, legal action, and reputational damage. And now, as a conclusion for the accounting simulation project, as you know, the Cheerful Adventure Tours Sdn Bhd is a private company within Malaysia, vibrant tourism sector, which demonstrates a strong commitment to sound financial management through its use of UBS accounting software. This support consistent and organized financial record keeping and ensure the compliance with legal regulatory requirements. The current accounting practices adopted by this company can provide significant advantages which can contribute to financial health and strategic growth. It can enhance audit readiness and promote a better financial transparency, which can turn support easier access to external financing. Besides that, it also enables more informed and timely business decision making. However, despite these benefits, challenge remains particularly from the aspects high operational costs, the risk of human error, and continued dependence on manual input. Addressing this challenge through automation and process optimization, it can be the key to maintaining efficiency and supporting future scalability. To further enhance its financial management and operational costs, this company is committed to continuous improvement in its accounting process. Strength internal controls, increasing automation within accounting process, and providing ongoing staff training for accounting software are key steps in this direction. This initiative will not only can reduce the risk error, but also it can help in improving data accuracy. It also can help to ensure the team is well equipped in order to adapt in evolving financial statement. By investing in these improvements, the company positions itself for greater efficiency, enhanced compliance, and stronger overall financial performance. As this company moves forward, its focus remains firmly on sustainable growth, maintaining financial and operational credibility, and also achieving its vision in order to become a leading travel agency in Malaysia. By embracing continuous improvement in its internal process, enhancing customer experience, and strengthening their commitment to transparency and innovation, this company also well positioned to thrive in an increasingly competitive industry. But with a clear strategic direction and dedication to excellence, Cheerful Adventures Tour is charting a confident path toward long-term success and industry leadership.